In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Snapchat Ads Manager. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your reporting, billing, and scheduling line up with the time zone you actually work in. One quick note up front. Snapchat sets the time zone at the ad account level, and it's locked after creation. So, if you need a different time zone than your current one, the correct approach is to create a new ad account with the right setting. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Snapchat ads. This is the fastest way to get to the Ads Manager if you don't already have it bookmarked. In your results, look for the official Snapchat Ads Manager link. It should point to the ads.snapchat.com domain. Clicking the correct link ensures you land on the secure official dashboard and avoid any third-party pages that might look similar. Once you're on the Snapchat ads page, click Log In. Use your business credentials to access the Ads Manager. If you manage multiple organizations, just make sure you're in the right business workspace before moving on. After you're in, look toward the top left corner of the interface. Click the business menu there, and then select Ad Accounts. This takes you to the section where all your existing ad accounts live and where you can create new ones. Next, click the plus New Ad Account button to begin the setup. This is the step that matters for changing time zone, because a new account lets you choose a fresh time zone that can't be edited later. Creating a new account for a new time zone keeps your data clean and your schedules accurate, especially if your team or clients operate in a different region. Now enter your account details. Fill in the requested fields carefully, then look for the time zone dropdown. Select the time zone you want to use going forward. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct region, not just a city that sounds familiar. Time zones affect when your campaigns start and stop, when pacing updates, and how your reports are time-stamped. If you see options for related settings like currency during this step, review those too, as they typically align with billing and reporting. When everything looks right, finalize the account to save your choices. That's it. You searched for Snapchat ads, opened the official link, logged in, navigated to business and ad accounts, created a new ad account, and set the correct time zone before finishing. Double-check your selection now so you won't need to repeat the process later. Once done, you're ready to build and schedule campaigns with accurate timing.